Welcome to TechLeopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change time zones on your Microsoft Teams. Now, to change time zones, what you have to do is just go to the top right next to your profile picture and click on the settings button. Then from here, just go inside settings. Then there's a hidden panel over here. Just select and drag it to open it up. Now you need to make sure you're inside general. Then just scroll all the way down and you'll find time zone. As you can see, you cannot adjust the time zone from your Microsoft Teams settings. You can adjust the time zone from your OS settings, which is your Windows or Mac OS settings. Now for Windows, what you have to do is just click here on Manage Windows Settings, and it will open up your Windows 11 or 10 time and date settings. Now you just have to make sure your set time zone automatically is turned off, and then you'll get an option over here to change your time zone to anything you want. And basically, that's how you need to change your time zone because there's no option in Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.